Alright, today I'm going to show how to reset the service reminder on Sprinters with this steering wheel configuration. This particular model is a 2017, but again it goes for all of them with the steering wheel controls. It is different for the ones without steering wheel controls. First thing you're going to do is get in, close the door, go to key position 2. If you have blind spot assist and lane keep assist, you have to wait for these little messages to go away. And then you're going to want to go to your trip screen here, scroll up 2 times in this one to where it says when your service is due. This one is overdue by 500 miles. So once you're on this screen, you're going to hold down the 0 button here until it beeps. Like that. The next thing you're going to do is hit this button here with the blank page on top. So click that once and that'll pull up this screen. Then you're going to cycle up until you see this screen, and then press the O button again, and then you're going to scroll up another time until where it says reset. So press and hold the O button or 0 button for 3 seconds. And you'll get service confirmed, and that's how you reset the service reminder on Mercedes Sprinters with the steering wheel controls 2018 and prior.